Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a Mejuri jewelry try on. I'm gonna be sharing some of my new picks from the Stevie Collection. This is one of Mejuri's core collections. They just expanded the line with a ton of new arrivals. So I wanna show you guys my favorites. We're gonna do an unboxing, try them all on. This video is sponsored by Mejuri, but if you guys have been around on my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love Mejuri. We're gonna go ahead and jump on in. I'll have everything that I talk about and that I'm wearing linked down below in the description box if you're interested in any of those pieces. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I always love to do one unboxing for those of y'all who are new to the brand. Inside of our box here, we've got 3 dust bags. This is what the dust bag looks like. It has a drawstring. And when we open it up, we've got 2 Mejuri boxes. This is what the box looks like. Has a magnetic closure, Mejuri embossed here on the side. And inside of our box here, we've got some dust bags. This is what the dust bag looks like. It has the gold logo on the front. And I always like to hold on to the dust bags and the box for whenever I travel. Our first piece here are the Stevie Ripple Hoop Links. And these are actually mixed metals. So the front of them is the 18 karat gold vermeil, and then the back is the sterling silver. What's so great about the Stevie Collection is that they're very versatile. They're a very interchangeable earring. So if you already have the Stevie hoop earring, you can change out any of the hoop links. And I'm gonna pop this off here and put on this new Ripple hoop link. So it just slips onto the earring like that. The hinge closes, and now you have the gold vermeil earring with the silver hoop, or you can flip it around and do the gold vermeil with the gold vermeil ripple hoop link sticking out. So I love that you can switch up the look with one earring depending on if you're wanting to go for a mixed metal look, or if you're wanting it to be consistently solid gold vermeil or solid sterling silver. I love how bold these are, but they're not really heavy in the ears, so they're very comfortable to wear. And if you're wanting to kind of simplify the look, you can just remove the hoop link altogether and wear it just like this. And that's a really great way to wear it kind of every day. And then if you're wanting a more bold look, you can throw on the hoop link. In our next dust bag here, we've got a couple more hoop links. These are the marble hoop links, and these ones are stone. They're so gorgeous. They have this really vivid blue to them that is just so pretty. There's so much depth in these, and I love that you can switch out between something that is a metal like a vermeil or sterling silver to stone like this. They also do have enamel hoop links as well. There's so many great options and different combinations and variations that you can wear with these earrings. They even have sterling silver hoops that you can add different hoop links to. So whether you want the gold vermeil hoop or the sterling silver hoop, you can build on either of those and get a completely different look depending on what your base hoop is. This is so stunning, and I think that this really beautiful deep blue would also look so good with the sterling silver hoop. I do like to wear more dainty pieces whenever I'm wearing the Stevie hoops, just because I feel like they are such a statement earring that I really like to let my other jewelry come alongside it and not overtake this larger earring. But I think this is so gorgeous and so unique. I have really not seen anything else like this, and this color is so pretty. In my second piercing, I've got the bezel lab grown diamond huggies and the mini bezel studs. On to our next box that was in the dust bag. Inside of this box, we've got another dust bag, but we also have a ring. This is the Stevie ring, and this is a gold vermeil piece. It really embodies the shape of the earring, but in a ring form, and it's so gorgeous. It's so bold. I love the almost like chain link design to it, and I think it just works really well with the earrings. I think it works great by itself. You definitely don't need to stack this with anything. It is a statement just like the earrings. I think it's so pretty by itself. I love the width of it as well. On my other fingers, I've got on the duo ring, which I wear all the time. This one is in 14 karat gold, and then I have on this new pinky ring. I have been wearing this one non-stop. You've probably seen it in like all of my videos. I am obsessed with a pinky ring now. I haven't worn one in years, and ever since I got this one from Mejuri, I have been wearing it all the time. So I love this ring. And then I have on the celestial dome ring on my pointer finger. In our next dust bag. We've got some more earrings, and these are actually studs. These are so gorgeous. These are the Stevie Ripple studs. These come in gold vermeil and also in sterling silver. I got the gold vermeil. I love these. They look like a vintage earring. Like they just look so timeless. This is what they look like next to the hoop link. I love this design. Really good texture in an earring. These are incredibly lightweight, so comfortable to wear in the ear. I could definitely see myself wearing these all day, even though they're super bold and definitely a statement. They are so light. I will say with these earrings though, because they are so wide at the top and throughout the whole earring, I can't wear really anything in my second piercing, but they are so bold that I don't really need anything in my second piercing, and I still have room for something in my third piercing. So I could wear something a little bit bigger in this hole, but I love these so much. I think they are so gorgeous. On to our next dust bag here. Got 2 more boxes. In our first box, we've got 2 more dust bags. We've got the silver Stevie hoops. So these are the silver ones and these are the gold vermeil ones that I already had. And now I can show you guys the different combos between wearing them with gold or with silver. I think I actually like this hoop link with the silver even more. Something about the cool tone and the blue with the silver just looks so nice. Obviously, I am biased towards vermeil, but in this case, I really like it with the silver. And then I also want to show you guys what it looks like with the ripple hoop link with the gold vermeil pointing out. There's silver on the back, but I love a two-tone moment. If I'm gonna wear silver, I typically like it with something else, either a gemstone or with a gold vermeil charm, but that's what the silver Stevie hoops look like with the different options. In our next dust bag, we've got some more hoop links. These are another stone hoop link, and these are in Sodalite. So gorgeous, you guys. They have this beautiful, almost like iridescent look to them, almost like pearlized. They are just so pretty. I love that they are a neutral, so similar to the cream enamel, you're still getting a neutral look, but these just have the most beautiful look. This is what they look like with the silver. I love how clean this looks. So gorgeous. And then this is the gold vermeil. This is also really pretty. And then these are the two side by side, so you can see the different looks. Onto our second box in this dust bag. We've got 2 more dust bags. Inside of our first dust bag here, we've got some two-toned earrings. These are the Jojo hoops, and they are gold vermeil and sterling silver. Such a fun, unique design. From the front, it looks like this sterling silver piece is like floating over the ear. I love how sculptural these look. They're just such a fun design. With the second hoop on this earring, I decided to put my stud in my second piercing instead of the hoop so that I wouldn't hit this earring, but I think it looks really cool with this hoop, with the stud, and then a smaller huggy hoop in my third piercing. Such a unique stack. In our next dust bag here, we've got some more hoop links. These are another stone hoop link. They are the aventurine stone, and they are so gorgeous. They have this really beautiful green tone to them. They also have a lot of depth in the stone as well, so just really gorgeous. And just to show you guys, these are what the 3 stone options look like. This is the aventurine stone on the silver and the gold vermeil. I think I actually prefer the gold vermeil with this beautiful green. This is what they look like on. I think this would be a really fun way to add some color into your outfit with just a really bold accessory like this. On to our last dust bag. We only have 1 box in here. Inside of our box, we have a larger dust bag, and it looks like we have a bracelet. This is the Stevie bracelet. It's actually a very similar design to the ring. This ring does come in sterling silver. I will note that this bracelet only comes in sterling silver. It does not come in gold vermeil. There's also a matching sterling silver necklace with this bracelet, which is really fun, but it's super bold and chunky. Again, I love this chain link to it. One detail that I really like about this bracelet though is that the link that connects to the clasp actually has the ripple texture to match the earrings, which I think is really, really fun. This is what the bracelet looks like on, and one thing about sterling silver though, I will say, is it always makes my skin look really, really tan. I got this in the extra small, which is what I get all of my bracelets in. I think it fits really well. I love how bold it is. Definitely you could just wear this by itself. It is a statement for sure. But I've got on this square oval chain bracelet, the timepiece bracelet, this bezel diamond bracelet, and then this 14 karat gold cuff. And that's my typical jewelry stack. This would be really fun though for an event, or if I wanted to like really have a pop of jewelry on my wrist. I think this is a really fun option for that. But those are all of the pieces for this video. Like I said, I will have everything linked down below in the description box, but be sure to check out the Stevie collection if you're looking for some bolder, fun pieces of jewelry that can be interchangeable. Such a good line from Mejuri, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what your favorite piece was, and don't forget to subscribe. Love to have you back on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.